First of all, we're just going to delete the default cube. It's just a little joke I have. First thing we're going to do is delete the default cube, and then we just delete the default cube. First of all, delete the default. Today, we're going to learn how to place a cube. So first thing you want to do is just delete the default cube. Welcome to my Blender tutorial, where today we're going to learn how to make this simple chair. And all you have to do is go to my website down below and buy the $150 Blender chair pack. And you're not going to learn anything from it, you're just going to copy and paste, and you'll learn fuck all, frankly. So what you want to do is just set the strength to about 1.5. Actually no, set it to 1. Actually no, we'll set it to 2.5. Definitely 2.5. Actually no, set it back to 1. You know what? Actually, 5,000. Right, well, what you want to do here is just, you see this fucker, get rid of him. So what you want to do is input, and then image, and then bring the alpha towards the alpha for composite. Next what you want to do is color an alpha over, and drag the image towards the image on the left. And for converter, we want math, then drag the image to the values. Another converter again, and this time we want the alpha convert to bring the value to the image. Another output and levels, just to level off the images. Input again and mask, then color and RGB curves, then just bring image to the image of that. And when that's all done, your sphere will turn green.